Hi everyone, very good evening. I hope you all are doing great. So I welcome everyone on our another session of conceptual series where we see the concepts which are related to the core economy as well as those things which are related to your news as in which are in news exactly. Okay. So today we are going to talk about MIBOR and LIBOR. Few call them MIBOR, LIBOR as well. So we have full form, separate full forms related to it. So you need not to worry. You can call it MIBOR as well, and you can call it MIBOR as well. Okay. So you could have heard about the call money market. You could have heard about the reference rates. You could have heard about the lending rates as well. These are somewhere or another related to it. I won't say that exactly. You could have heard about this, that we take loan from bank also can help each other. Okay, when it comes on to giving loans to each other, they also help each other. Okay, so today we have a broader concept which is known as MIBOR and LIBOR. One by one we'll see them, that exactly what they are, how they work, and then we'll go towards their difference as well. Okay, छोटा सा conceptual video रहेगा. One thing which I want to clarify, if you people will have any doubt related to it, you can just pin that in the comment section. I'll just solve your doubt. Okay, now before I move into it, one good news for all of you is that since we are celebrating 25 million users, the offer is going to be ended on 20th of May. Okay, so आज का ही दिन है, आज का ही दिन है. So it is very very important that you are getting benefit of it. And one thing, that such offer we are not going to give you for the next of 4 to 5 months. Okay, so it's a golden opportunity for all of you. If you're the one who's preparing for RBI, NABARD, SEBI, maybe SIDBI as well, so you can just avail it and you can get this particular offer. All you need to do is to put 25M in the code section, and you will be able to get 55% off. Okay, that is flat 55% off. If you have any doubt related to your preparation, related to your subject, if you are in the midway, you are confused, everything which was related to your exam, you can just ask me. All you need to do is to join my Telegram channel, which is Economy with Pile. Okay, now we are moving towards the core concept. So we are starting with LIBOR first, and then we will move towards MIBOR. Okay, when it comes into LIBOR, before jumping onto it, I want to tell you that this is somewhere or another related to what? Interbank help, or you can say interbank offered rate. Okay, the full form itself says it is interbank offered rate. That if one bank needs help, it can go to another bank for overnight loan as well, and for the overnight help as well. Okay, but this is related to what? This is related to the market which is London market. Okay, which is London market. आपने जब हम इकोनॉमी का स्टैटिक पोर्शन कंप्लीट करते हैं तो आपने ये सब चीजें जो है वो पढ़ी होंगी कि हमारे पास कॉल मनी मार्केट है. ठीक है, फिर देन वी हैव अ फैसिलिटी इन विच द इंडिविजुअल वी हैव एनी बैंक, वो दूसरे बैंक से शॉर्ट टर्म या फिर ओवरनाइट लोन के लिए जो है वो दूसरे से हेल्प मांग सकता है. ओके, एंड इट हैज टू एंश्योर दैट इट इज जस्ट टेकिंग इट फॉर एन ओवरनाइट पर्पस. अगर बहुत ही ज्यादा जो अर्जेंट है वो नीड पड़ जाए तो वो किसी और बैंक से भी जो है वो हेल्प ले सकता है ना. अब ये क्या है? इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ रेफरेंस रेट दैट वी हैव. ओके, इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ रेफरेंस रेट दैट वी हैव. एज इन एग्जाम्पल, सबसे पहले तो यू पीपल हैव टू रिमेंबर दैट इट इज ऑल रिलेटेड टू लंडन मार्केट ओनली. नाउ वन क्वेश्चन दैट मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल विल आस्क मी कि मैम अगर ये लंडन मार्केट के साथ कनेक्टेड है तो क्या इंडियन बैंक्स भी इसके अंदर पार्टिसिपेट कर सकता है? तो यहाँ पे अगर इंडियन बैंक्स की अगर मैं पार्टिसिपेशन की बात करूँ, नॉट वेरी ब्रॉडली इन एन एक्सटेंसिव वे, बट हाँ किस तरीके से जो पार्टिसिपेशन है वो हो सकती है, कंसीडरिंग एन एग्जांपल ऑफ पीएनबी. ओके, आई एम टेकिंग इनटू एन एग्जांपल ऑफ पीएनबी. ओके, पीएनबी बैंक को क्या है कि जरूरत है ओके लोन की. अब ये क्या कर सकता है, कोई भी फॉरेन बैंक है उसके पास जाएगा, लोन लेगा, and only that bank will give loan which are pegged at what? Which are pegged at LIBOR. Okay, so it's a kind of reference rate that we have. अब अगर किसी को लोन, जैसे पीएनबी ने ही लोन लिया, अब उसको लोन किसके ऊपर मिलेगा? LIBOR प्लस मे बी 2%. ठीक है, मे बी 2%. अब यहाँ पे जो LIBOR है ना, ये क्या है? एक एवरेज इंटरेस्ट रेट है. ठीक है, एक एवरेज इंटरेस्ट रेट है जहां पे बहुत सारे जो मेजर ग्लोबल बैंक्स है ना, that are when I talk about the global banks, they are giving each other loan in London, and it includes what? It includes the average rate, okay, average interest rate. तो यहाँ पे हो सकता है कि जो लाइबर क्या है, लाइबर है, हो सकता है कि उस टाइम पे 5% है. नाउ 2% इज ऑल्सो देयर, सो टोटल इंटरेस्ट रेट इसको कितना पे करना पड़ेगा? 7% जो है वो पे करना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ लाइबर. सो लाइबर क्या है? इट्स अ रेफरेंस रेट, rather than it's not a market that we have, it's a kind of rate on which it's a kind of interest rate that is there on which loan is provided, and that too overnight help. Okay, अब यहाँ पे जो है बहुत सारी जो करेंसीज है वो कंसीडर होती है. ठीक है, नाउ वी डू नॉट हैव सोनली इंडियन करेंसी ओनली, बट वी सी देयर इज यूएसडी ऑल्सो. ठीक है, there are euros also, there are pounds also, there are Japanese yen also, Swiss is also a part of it. So we have multiple currencies which are associated with it. Now it is used worldwide for long loans, bonds, derivatives, as well as other financial products as well. Now if you talk about LIBOR, so it has been finished now. Okay, ये जो है it was phased out in the year of 2021, but it completely got closed in the year of 2023. So यहाँ पे 2021 में it got phased out. Okay, it got phased out. It completely got जो इसकी activities है completely gone. They were completely gone in the year of 2023. Why? Because they it had a lot many let's consider कि not fraudulent is not an exact word here, but बहुत सारी जो है वो exploitation वाली जो चीजें है they were going on. Okay, based on the interest rates only, not exploitation exactly, but हाँ जो चीजें हैं they were not going in a good manner. That is what I can see here. So it has been completely phased out, as well as it is completely gone out. Now we are going to talk about MIBOR. Okay, here we are going to talk about MIBOR. Okay, so now you would ask me कि ma'am जो other जो this reference rate is not there, so the government says that try finding alternate reference rates. Okay, alternate reference rates, जैसे MIFR हो गया. ठीक है, now these things are not we are not going to discuss here, but I am just telling you about the reference rates that we have, alternate reference rates. Okay, these are the two rates which you can take into consideration. Okay, next we are going to talk about MIBOR, and now this is same, interbank offered rate. ठीक है, now you would ask me कि मैम ये भी इंटरबैंक ऑफर्ड रेट है. अब यहाँ पे डिफरेंस क्या है? So this is Mumbai based. Okay, this is Mumbai interbank offered rate. Okay, these are Mumbai interbank offered rate, as in that यहाँ पे जब भी हम बात करेंगे, या फिर when I talk about in the previous one we said that multiple currencies are a part of it, but here only INR is taken into consideration. Okay, now government has also said that start focusing on MIBOR. It is more, or more or less it is more helpful. Okay, so it was established in the year of 1998 as India's key benchmark for short-term interest rates. Okay, you could have heard about call money market, right? अब call money market के अंदर भी मैंने आपको बहुत ज़्यादा simplified तरीके में बताया था. In my paid classes, I tell my aspirants that in order to remember that what is call money market, तो आप उसके लिए क्या कर सकते हो कि एक when you are in problem, you are in a sudden problem, you need to call someone. So वो क्या करा, आपने quick call करा. So यहाँ पे जब आप क्विक कॉल कर रहे हो to your fellow bank, to your best friend bank, let's consider, we're just trying to relate it with you. That is the reason I'm trying this terminology, I'm just saying these terminologies, that you've just all you need to do is to pick your phone and call your friend. So this is what call money market, it's a part of it. Okay, कॉल मनी मार्केट के अंदर क्या होगा कि आपको, मेरे को पैसों की बहुत जल्दी जरूरत है, मुझे भेज दो. ओके, now this is why this is how I'm just trying to relate with all of you individuals, so that you people also remember. क्योंकि ये कॉल मनी मार्केट हो गया, फिर उसके बाद बाकी रेट्स हो गए. ठीक है, ये सारे जो है बहुत ज्यादा कंफ्यूजिंग है, बच्चे इसके अंदर बहुत ज्यादा कंफ्यूज रहते हैं. तो कॉल मनी मार्केट को आप इस तरीके से यू कैन रिमेंबर इट, सो दैट यू कैन रिमेंबर इट फॉर अ लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. So if there is any of bank who needs loan for overnight loan, let's say, so वहां पे we have a market here which is called money market, under which we again have MIBOR. Okay, that is reference rate. That is reference rate. ठीक है. सो हो सकता है कि किसी इंडियन बैंक को दूसरे इंडियन बैंक से क्या करना हो, जो लोन है, ओवरनाइट लोन जो है वो लेना पड़े. ठीक है. सो अगेन हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू गिव. अब ये जो माइबर है ये भी क्या है, इट्स एन एवरेज रेट दैट वी हैव, दैट इंक्लूड्स एवरेज इंटरेस्ट रेट एट विच बैंक्स इन मुंबई लेंड ईच अदर ओवरनाइट इन द इंडियन रुपीज. अब ऐसा नहीं है कि जो बैंक्स मुंबई में ही है सिर्फ वही इंक्लूड होंगे. ठीक है, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. वी कैन इंक्लूड अदर बैंक्स एज वेल. ओके, सो यहाँ पे रेफरेंस रेट सबसे पहले हम इंक्लूड करेंगे, प्लस यू कैन चार्ज एनीथिंग, एज इन मे बी सम few of the people may be charging 1%, few of the banks may be charging 2% as well. So taking into consideration example of 2%. So considering 5% जो है वैसे तो you can consider 4.75, but हाँ इसको add on करके you get 6.75. So this is the total interest rate on which another bank has to give return loan. अब ये क्या हो गया, ये हो गया इंटरेस्ट रेट, दैट इज टोटल इंटरेस्ट रेट. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ इट वर्क्स. नाउ दिस इज यूज्ड फॉर व्हाट पर्पस? दिस इज यूज्ड फॉर प्राइसिंग शॉर्ट टर्म loans, overnight borrowings, and some derivatives in India as well. So this is what is the difference between MIBOR and LIBOR as well. LIBOR has been phased out, completely phased out, and now we are focusing on the MIBOR part. Okay, how it is calculated? So I've already told you it is entirely based on weighted average of these rates. Maybe हो सकता है कि बैंक A ने has given loan to bank B, that is at, let's consider 6%. Okay, this can also be the case that bank C has given loan to D at maybe 6.50%. Bank E given loan to F at maybe 6.75%. Okay, so this varies, but यहाँ पे सबका क्या लिया जाता है, एवरेज लिया जाता है. ठीक है, average is taken into consideration and then only it is given. It is published daily by Financial Benchmark in the, India Private Limited, and it reflects what domestic liquidity and credit conditions as well. Okay, now what is the basic difference between both of them? So LIBOR means what? It is entirely related to London interbank market, which includes various of the currencies. It includes Mumbai call money market, which includes rupee only. Okay, अब यहाँ पे जो है, जो टेन्योर है वो वेरी कर सकता है ओवरनाइट टू 12 months, एंड माइबर इज मोस्टली रिलेटेड टू ओवरनाइट ओनली. ओके, जो स्कोप है वो क्या है, व्हेन इट कम्स ऑन टू लाइबर, इट हैज ग्लोबल स्कोप. इट हैज ग्लोबल स्कोप. ग्लोबल स्कोप का मतलब ये नहीं है कि कोई भी बैंक आके इसके अंदर पार्टिसिपेट कर लेगा, नहीं. ओनली पैनल बैंक्स आर द वन हु विल पार्टिसिपेट हियर. ओके, as in those banks who are actively taking participation into it, those are the individuals, those are the banks who are given preferences here. Okay, not each and every bank, when it comes on to global part. So हमारे पास तो बहुत ज़्यादा जो है वो banks है, so हर एक जो है वो participation नहीं कर सकता. We have few banks only, panel banks are there who can take participation here. ठीक है, MIBOR में domestic India, and then when it comes on to usage, so it is for the international loan derivatives as well, domestic overnight loan call money markets. Okay, WHO की जो report है that rates major global banks when it comes on to JP Morgan, when it comes on to Citibank, these are the leading agencies here which gives loan. Okay, now MIBOR is the reference rate, everyone knows. Okay, अब यहाँ पे जो पीछे जो बड़े बड़े इंस्टीट्यूट्स है, जो बड़े बड़े प्लेयर्स है या फिर बैंक्स है, कौन लोन देता है? सो यू कैन कंसीडर एन एग्जांपल ऑफ JP Morgan, you can consider an example of Citibank as well. These are the two examples only. We have various banks, Indian banks in Mumbai. Okay, so this is all about what? This is all about the difference between MIBOR and LIBOR. If you have any doubt related to it, you can just pin that in the comment section. I'll ensure that I am addressing it. Okay, so all right, I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you so much.